I'm Dr. Zakia Jabari Wasik. I'm a gynecologist from Afghanistan. I am very happy to be a part of the ART training in May City Hospital. This training was really educative and very wonderful training. We learned a lot in this program, including IUI, IVF, transvaginal sonography, and also hysteroscopy. I'm proud of having the chance of being a part of this training because very knowledgeable professors, including Professor Saqib Sadiq, the president and the owner of the Med City Hospital, Professor Karanakar from London, from UK, and also Professor Lilo from Germany. I want to be attached with Med City Hospital because I found this environment very nice and very useful for training programs and also for patients management. Thanks.